Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not working, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will search about this window of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.